So you're going to start at the top, and you're going to aim, get about 12 inches away, and half off top, nice and slow, 1,000, 2,000, little drop, little, about half that size. 2 fingers. That's our under base flight. That's looking very nice. Little drop. And keep going. Yep. One more time. We're going to come back up to the top. Yeah. You were here and you're getting wet, so you decided you're going to go farther and farther back. And it's only 2 fingers. You just want to do little bitty drops. So go ahead. Very nice. Look at that, beautiful. Now little drop. There we go. Yep. Perfect. You're like a robot. But look at all the details you're getting. I'm excited to see this all coming together. One more. Oh, we're looking good. We turn it off. Now we're going to come in and take a look. These are some of the things that I was telling you a minute ago. We can zoom in. We can see the 45.00. We can see the degree circle. We can see the, if I can stop shaking, the number, the little hashtag base on here. Our little 1/4 point registration marks, nice and clean from Illustrator. And then all of the gorgeous detail that we have in this design. This is going to be beautiful. All right,